Welcome, listeners. We are going to learn about digital marketing and domain of digital marketing in this video. So, this video is divided into different parts. So, in digital marketing, there are different domains. So, let us see what are the different domains in digital marketing. So, you are going to learn about all these domains in the coming videos: website planning and development, search engine optimization, search engine marketing, display advertising, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, mobile marketing, affiliate marketing, web analytics, online reputation management, digital marketing strategy. So let us look into website planning and development. So website planning is the most crucial aspects of digital marketing. When a business is set up, the first thing that is inquired is whether you have a website to showcase the range of product services that you have to offer. So website planning includes a process. So information gathering, planning, design, development, testing, and delivery, maintenance. So here are some of the drop-in website platforms which need not want any kind of a HTML coding: WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, and Wix. I hope you are familiar with the WordPress and Wix. Next, we can get into search engine optimization. So search engine optimization. What exactly is search engine optimization? In coming video, you will learn each of all these points in detail. So this is only a introductory section of all the points. So search engine optimization is the process of maximizing the number of visitors to the website by ensuring the website is seen at the top of the list given by the search engine. So this which I am showing is again inorganic result. You can see the blue heading and as well as ad heading, that is again green line. So this green line is what exactly called as when it shows like a box inside a box with the ad letters, then it is inorganic because it is called as search engine marketing. Here you can see there is no ad kind of buttons, same as like this small ad icon. Here there is no icon. It is organic result because of your tags, because of your traffic in your website, then content of your website, etc. So SEO is important in today's competitive market. The first place to search about anything and gather informations, search engine is needed. So when you type for a search in Google for any other search engine, a set of algorithm is run in background, which is return display the first place, second place each of the website. So there are two types of SEO: on-site SEO and off-site SEO. You will learn all these things in detail in the coming chapters. So search engine marketing, as I said, this is search engine marketing. So this marketing is a kind of marketing technique where one pays for advertisement that appears on search engine results. You can see when MBA admission. When I type MBA admission, I got the advertisements first, then only I got the organic results. So inorganic things are called the search engine marketing. The keywords on the site are set for the binding on services like a Google or Bing or Safari or Yahoo, whatever it is. So they might enter few keywords that are related to the certain products or services, which gives the advisor or which gives the advertiser an opportunity to showcase the advertisement for such query. You can see next we can get into email marketing. So email marketing is very important these days. So you can remember those days where we would be like, yes, I received an email. Now with the amount of emails we get, most of us hardly try to check out mails. So email marketing has been one of the initial way to promotion through the internet. I'm not talking about a Gmail. I'm talking about a customized mail which can be sent to more than lakhs. So these are the websites which help us to configure with our website, and we can take. Like in the website, there is a button called a sign up for new newsletter. So that automatically it will stored in this, email marketing websites. So some of these email marketing websites are free, of course, and for premium you have to pay. So Mailchimp, Drip, Aweber, Response, etc. are the examples. You will learn more about Mailchimp in coming videos. So email marketing is done keep the audience updated on the current offering the brand has to offer to them. It is by either sending out an email blast or making them aware, or by personally sending an email to make it customized. So look at the next one, social media marketing. So it is very familiar. So with the help of a website, with the help of other social media platform, we are marketing digitally, like share, subscribe, or like, follow, repost. So these are one of the most common words used in social media to gain more attraction. So we all know, when it comes to social media marketing, the first thought of the social media sites pop up, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, etc. The main agenda of social media marketing is to create awareness and gain audience, create a voice in the market. So obtain brand awareness and visibility. So social media marketing can be done in two ways: active social media marketing promotion and passive social media marketing promotion. So active consists of the uh, you know uh, the different social media platform we use. So it consists of content that derive the audience towards the website and social media networks like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, then YouTube, Pinterest, etc. The passive consists of being constantly active by updating the user and being interactive by updating status, images, live sessions, videos, articles, webinars, etc. By passive promotion, one can understand the problem of the user and solve the dissatisfaction. So next, we can get into the content marketing. So what exactly the content marketing? So content marketing is a strategic marketing approach focused on creating on and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience, and ultimately to drive profitable customer action. So, Content Marketing Institute in 2018. So, content marketing is not just blog posts or social media. It is all about storytelling to gather attention and bring in curiosity and interest. So there is a reason to why few things pick up so well in the market, because the content is well picked up and chosen to the market very well. So this is a long-term strategy that focused on long-term relationships with the target audience by providing them with a good quality content which is relevant to them. There are 3D model of a content. So mapping to the pain point of a customer, mapping appropriate content, and mapping to buy cycle. So this is different model, the model of a content that you will learn. Digital marketing is not possible without content. So content is the part of a social media marketing, search engine optimization, pay per click, and search engine marketing as well. So we'll learn more about domain of digital marketing in coming video. Thank you so much.